Alright, we made it over here to Vaughn, New Mexico last night. We got here with about 15 minutes left on our logbook. You have to excuse me, my camera's kind of messed up. But that'll be your trains for today. There's a big train yard terminal over that way. Yeah, look at that sunrise, pretty sunrise. This is a little tiny mom and pop truck stop right here at the crossroads here. From right here we got about 450 miles to the house. Alright, good morning. It is the 27th. I hope everybody had a good Christmas. I made it home fine, no problem. Right now I'm in the process of my little thing I use, my little tripod, if you want to call it, that I use for my GoPro. The plastic piece broke on it. Broke on it a couple days ago, actually, right there on that little thing. And I ordered this off of Amazon. I have another one of these on my the other little camera I use. This one's aluminum, so that other one was plastic, so it shouldn't have any problems. So that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. We're letting the truck warm up. It's cold here in southern Arizona. There was frost and ice and everything on the truck this morning. So we're sitting here. We got to go deliver our stuff. Let me turn you around here. Hang on one second. So there it is. See the little white Ford Ranger? I sold my Mustang and I bought that little Ford Ranger. I really like it. It's only got one little issue. Check engine light came on. I have a code reader, and I have a pretty good idea what the problem is because I had a problem with it a couple days ago. So I have a pretty good idea what it is. But the truck's been doing good. We left. We got the truck fixed. We didn't have any issues with it driving across. Traffic wasn't too bad coming across. Ooh. I'm gonna have to go get a pair of pliers so I can tighten that up. Hang on one second, I'll be right back. Well, for right now, all I can find are these big pliers. So it's cold, my hands are cold. I don't feel like digging through everything. Let me see if I can tighten this thing up here. It's aluminum, so it has to bend just a little bit. Ooh, I think we got it. So we're gonna go deliver this. Today's 27th. I'm gonna stay home. Oh, look at that. That's good. That's good. All right. So we got our little GoPro working good. Today's the 27th. We're gonna stay home until probably next week after the first of the year. We got some things to do on the truck. I need to change the oil filters. I need to work on the generator. I got another little fuel leak on the generator, so I got to get that done. And what else was I gonna do? Oh, my satellite dish thing broke, so I got to do something about that. Excuse me. All right. Oh, my dad bought me some new beanies. They're perfect too, because they're just the right size. They'll fit under my my hard hat. So anyway, all right, let's get going. I've already logged in. Truck looks good. Let's get going. Deliver our stuff. I'll talk to you in a bit. Alright, we made it to where we're supposed to be, but I don't know if we're at the right spot. That says no trucks. We gotta go right there. Let's try this road right here. I don't see any construction, but that's where we're supposed to be, 7000 South Alvernon Way. Let's see here. What does that say? All trucks straight ahead. Alright, at least they got signs saying where we're supposed to go. And those trucks right there have the same stuff that I do. So I'm not late, I just got untarped. Alright, let me get through the gate, get pulled in. Alright, I found the gate. We like went all the way around the block. I don't know if there's an easier way to get in here or not. Let's start off the day with the buzzer. Buzzer. I didn't know this place was back here. It's the first time I've been back here. I don't even know what this place is. Home Goods. Sounds like they sell furniture or something like that. Speed limit. No soliciting. Trespassing. Alright, let me get checked in. Alright.
Just have you sign in for me?
Okay. I saw all the other guys around there. What, just go around the right around?
Do this road before there instead.
This one right there?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. Good to go? Alright.
Thank you.
And I'll come back out this way?
This way.
That way, yeah. Alright, thank you. Alright. We're here. So go around the side there. Alright, let me get around here. All you guys are going to see is just a bunch of docks and trailers. So let me get around here, get on tarped and get unloaded, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
I'm coming. Sorry.
That is too funny. Hey, I'm recording too. Isn't that funny?
Oh Lord, that's what's going to be on the video.
Yes, you
hollering,
fumbling for the phone. I just wanted to call you. As you know, we delivered our last load for the year, and unless you find something crazy good for me to do while I'm at home over the next couple of days, I just wanted to say thank you for the good year.
You're welcome. I'll try.
Yeah, we did all right. I think
gotta make money for STD.
I think 2019 is going to be a little bit different than 2018. Might have to fight a little bit more for freight.
I do agree with that.
So, but I think
your best bet would be getting up here and running stuff that's under 250 miles and holding time for the weekend. If you can do under 250, you know what I'm saying, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday, we could look for a good one. If you can make that happen some weeks, that would give you a good advantage, you know.
You know, I like running the short stuff like that. So
right, because if it's 400 miles, you just can't do it overnight.
I know, yeah, that stresses me out when you give me those long runs like that.
Oh, that's funny.
So, all right. Well, I just wanted to check in with you. Tell you, thank you for the good year.
No worries. You're welcome. Hopefully, 2019 is better than we think it's going to be.
I think so. I think we'll be all right. We'll be all right. I've survived this long, so we should be okay.
Oh, all right. Have fun. Be good. Enjoy your time at home.
Will do. I'll
Oh, and I did call Kevin, and he said that he was going to take care of our problem for us.
Oh, okay. Get some detention. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. I'll talk to you later.
Sounds like a plan.
I'll talk
to you. Careful.
I'll talk to you for New Year.
Okay, sounds good.
If you see something good, call me now.
Do I ever not call you when I see something good?
I know.
All right.
All right. Talk to you later.
Talk to you in a bit.
All right.
Bye.
All right. Bye. All right. I'm almost home. And we live what they call open range, meaning cows graze around here. So you got to watch out for the cows on the road. And actually, the cows have the right of way. So if you hit them, it's your fault. You're not supposed to hit the cows. But somebody pays for the grazing rights for this property around here. And they leave the cows roaming around. So anyway, I'm almost home. Let's go ahead and end this for today. I bought the parts for the truck at Peterbilt. And tomorrow we're going to start working on putting all the parts together. We're going to work on the truck. And the weather's supposed to be crappy while I'm home, which never fails. It was beautiful weather last week before I got here. Of course, when I come home, the weather turns bad. So I'm supposed to be in the mid-40s tomorrow, which is cold for us. So anyway, all right, that's it. I'm almost home. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.